welcome back. So there is one more meta argument present, which is nothing but provider, so which we already discussed as part of this respective section with multiple providers here. So we already discussed the provider meta argument. So that one is not present here because of that reason. There is one more thing here, which is 0406 provisioners. So provisioners are also a very important part of the resources. Okay, so but the thing here is this one is going to be an extensive section which we are going to discuss in section 09. So we need to have more knowledge about input variables and then output values, local values, and lot of other things we need to gain knowledge before going to provisioners. With that said, we are going to discuss that in the section 09 and not now. So in section 09, when we reach there, so we are going to learn file provisioners, remote exec provisioners, local exec provisioners, and also null resource in a step-by-step manner. So now we are going to ignore the 0406 provisioners and then move on with the next lectures, which is related to Terraform variables. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.